In today's video, we wanted to bring you inside Dollywood's HeartSong Lodge and Resort and take a more detailed look at their Honeysuckle and Pine retail store to show you what unique Dolly Parton merchandise they have that you can only get at this store. Before we head in to start looking around, we wanted to also point out that you don't have to be staying at the resort to be able to shop at this store or eat at the restaurant located here. So sit back, relax, and let's head into the store. Let's take a look at what the Honeysuckle and Pine store has here at the HeartSong Lodge and Resort. Got a number of Dolly earrings here for $25, as well as some What Would Dolly Do little bags, bunch of different accessories in this area. There's a rain jewelry collection section over here. You have this HeartSong Lodge and Resort hoodie over here. Got some different purple cups. And here is a shirt version for $20. A different style hoodie at the top with a hat. There's a HeartSong Lodge and Resort shirt and a sweatshirt. Got some of the hats over here. And there's some other styles down below here. And they have this vest for $50. It's got a little bear on it. And this gold dolly is the only place that you can get this. It's exclusive to the HeartSong Lodge and Resort. Comes in at $40. Got some other dolly hats, glasses, guitars, and some other merchandise down here. Here's a look at one hoodie and another sweatshirt, some more hats, and different cups. Here's a different color, and some more cups, hats, mugs, HeartSong beanie. We've got some more purses over here. And for $50, they have these HeartSong bonfire blankets. There's a number of different HeartSong shirts and hoodies. And this particular hoodie is exclusive to the HeartSong Lodge and Resort. A silhouette of Dolly. It says Tennessee Smoky Mountains. They also have it in a t-shirt version as well for $25. And a HeartSong sweatshirt. I did want to point out that this particular design is of the fireplace in the lobby here at the HeartSong Lodge and Resort with little Dolly and some butterflies. Over here that comes in at $45. We have some more shirts, some coffee mugs and cups over here. This is kind of like the men's section over here. They've got some candles, some body and face wash, different soaps. Looks like some fun little gadgets and things over here for dad or your husband. They have a number of different Dolly perfumes over here, different scrubs and soaps. They have a number of different butterflies on this display, which has a number of candles and earrings and different things over here with some little bags down below. It is getting closer to Christmas time. They do have a Dollywood HeartSong Lodge and Resort ornament coming in at $20. If you're new to our channel and haven't yet subscribed, we'd love to have you join us on future adventures inside of Dollywood theme park and beyond. Here's a different style bonfire blanket down here. Some more mugs and cups over here. We've got this little beanie and t-shirt. Beanie coming in at $25. Got some other t-shirts down here. And this Wander HeartSong sweatshirt. We have some kids items in this section. Some sweatshirts, some hoodies, some different blocks that you can buy and make, including Big Bear Mountain. We have some different art supplies and games, so if you're staying here, you can come down and get a different game for the kids to play. So here in this section, they have a Merry and Bright sweatshirt, some boots, and some bathrobes. And look at these little Santa guys. These guys are fun. You can get a little waving Santa for $25. Some other cups and little slippers down here. We've got some Dolly books over here, including her newest book, Run, Rose, Run, and one of her Funko Pops. Got some different honey items, some chocolate-covered clusters and pretzels, and some HeartSong candy, including some gummy worms and peach rings and classic gummy bears, and some other snacks down here. We've got some kitchen utensils over here, different guitar items, and you have some more Dolly mugs and some Dollywood cups. It looks like little shot glasses. Just some more hats, mugs, cups, and I think this is probably one of the best things you can get here at Dollywood right down here. These bear ears are only $5.99, so a little bit cheaper than mouse ears. Here in this middle section, since Christmas is around the corner, there's a bunch of Christmas merchandise. So which item would you love to get from this store? Our daughter Hannah ended up picking up this Wander t-shirt, and we were able to get 20% off as Dollywood Diamond Pass holders. But that wraps up this quick look at the Honeysuckle and Pine store inside Dollywood's HeartSong Lodge and Resort. Be sure to check out our breakfast and dinner review of the Ember and Elm restaurant inside this resort, as well as our resort and room tour videos that we'll put a link to down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure.